It's Toronto's doo-wop music guy. It's Kevin and Janet. We're here at one of the hidden beaches in Cobourg. It's quite peaceful. Oh, and there's Janet. Janet's going to make a video. Hey, Janet. I just told everyone we're at one of the hidden beaches. One of the hidden beaches in Cobourg. I'm not telling them which one, but it's hidden. And I'll let you do a little bit of walking around.
Do you want a portrait or landscape?
Doesn't really matter. Either way.
Let's go this way and see more. Okay, so this is Lake Ontario. Got a nice, slightly rocky beach. But it is a beach. There are birds. Hello, bird. And we go to the sand. And the sand is lovely. Maybe it needs to be up a little bit higher. Oh, a little slippery. So this is not one of the two main beaches in Port Hope. Ooh, nice red rock. I like that. I like to collect rocks. I probably won't today, not from this beach. Oh, this is a good fish. Probably a salmon. Salmon are running in Port Hope and along other parts of Lake Ontario. What that means is they're going upstream to spawn. Ooh, that's a seaweed. We've got this nice little part down here, this little point, and a creek empties into the lake here. I have no idea what creek it is. But I'd probably look it up on the map and I could tell you at some point. Okay, that's gross. Here's the creek moving out. Lots of shells in the sand. Oh, neat. Oh, we've got salmon over there. Oh, wow, another one. Maybe it's a trout. I don't know. I should know my fish. I wouldn't work in a fish plant. So there's this nice little creek. So there's some meadows over there. Haven't looked for birds yet because we just got here. Wow, it's pretty deep in spots. Deep enough. Yeah, let's watch floaty stuff. Floaty stuff, and then they hit the current and go, whammo, bye-bye. fishing. And we're off. There's these guys. Zoom. Cool. Let's over on the other side. Fascinating. Doesn't take much to amuse me sometimes. Ooh, that looks slimy. It's beautiful though. Some ripples up there, so something's in the water. It's quite warm today. It's about 23 degrees, but the sun is very hot still. Wish I had brought shorts. This is very peaceful. You can hear some crickets in the background, the odd chirping bird, and in the background you've got the waves on the beach. Okay, let's go back over this way. Got just little tiny waves. There's very little wind today, so there's not much wave action. It should be outstanding for being out on the water, unless you're into sailboats where you need more wind. Okay. There's a monarch. Monarchs. Yay. Hello. Okie dokie. No. I need to go over there. I need to take off my shoes and roll up my pants. Oh, that's wet too. Yuck. Just sunk in some mud. Alright. Pant legs. Feet are already wet and dewy. Very spongy. Alright, here we go. Oh, that's good. It's quite refreshing. Alright, and it's going across the stream. My shoes will be clean, and my waterproof Birkenstock, so that's good. Oh yuck, dead fish. Ooh, that's a weird looking one. Okay. Oh man, that's so small. Oh my goodness. Monarchs. Hello. Hi. The monarchs are migrating down to Mexico. These guys probably resting. So that's back where I came from. hear some trains in the background. The CN main line and Via are not too far from here. Well, this looks creative. So there's lots of footprints, so a lot of people have been along here, probably to walk their dogs or just get some peace and quiet. Really nice weed. Spongy. Here it's a bit drier. Oh, there's another monarch. Hello. Hi. So we've got some wood stuff fly. You can't crack them. Another art installation, perhaps? Oh, there's something colorful up here. Some people are living there, so we won't disturb them. We'll go back. Please enjoy the waves on the beach. Lots of shells here. So good wood creation. Crunch on the shells. Let them wearing shoes. Look at all these shells. Crunch, 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 crunch. We're getting close to the smelly fish again. That's interesting. It's like a shotgun shell. Fascinating. Be here. Okay, going up pant legs again. Some shells. Tranquil here. Way out on the horizon, you can see it's here. Looks like a boat carrier of some sort, possibly cement. So we're back over here. We'll go past the icky fish. And yeah. Okay, here we go. Cold, cold. Quite refreshing though. Cold as relative. Machines. Looks like something tried to build a little dam. Oh, that's quite refreshing. Quite refreshing. Maybe a little icky again. But that's okay. Go to the butterfly again. Hi, sweetie. That's the icky seaweed. A little pond again, or stream. Probably resting. There's another one up there. I have no idea how things so small and fragile migrate 4,000 miles. It's astounding. Bye-bye. There's our pond, our stream. You hear some blue jays in the trees. I'll be going, clinch the spot, clinch the division. Look at all the shells. Wow. Wow, that's a lot. Rocky section of our thing. My feet are covered in sand again. That's okay. A wash. And we're back to our lead part. And we have Mr. Toronto's Do What Music Guy.
So Janet, when I
Yes.
started this video,
Yes.
I said this was a hidden beach in Cobourg.
We're not in Cobourg.
I lied.
No, you didn't lie. You just slightly incorrect.
Slightly incorrect.
That's okay.
But that's like a hint where this hidden bridge is. This hidden beach
Yes.
is because it's close to Cobourg.
Yeah.
Kind of. So
Yeah.
we'll tell them where the hidden beach is. Well, not
We already
really.
did, sort of.
You told them we're in
I told Port Hope, yeah.
Port Hope. Okay. So I'm going to give them another hint because I think we owe them a hint because I
Oh.
misled them.
Fly by me.
Oh, isn't
Sorry.
that terrible, Janet? That's the life of a YouTube walktuber.
Yes, my ankles are wet. So flies are biting my
Yes.
ankles.
Yeah, and it's blazing sun and I'm sweating, but that's how life goes.
Yes,
Anyways,
monarchs are flying. That's awesome.
anyways, I'm going to give them 2 hints.
Yes.
Hint number 1, I just heard a train go by.
Yes.
Hint number 2, follow me. Follow me.
Okay.
Don't fall. Don't fall.
I'm good. I'm good. Fighting flies, not fun.
This is the hint.
Oh.
If you look here, there is a path. This path goes to another part of the beach and comes out over here. I went
You
up.
couldn't have pointed this out to me before, but that's okay.
Well,
Now we know. It's hidden.
it's hidden. It's
Yes.
hidden. Look, look, look. It's hidden. It's hidden back here. So you could park your car. Well, that wouldn't help you if you parked your car here. If you parked your car on the other side and walked this way, you'd find this part here.
But I don't know where that part goes. It might just go over to that little stream that I was
It
at.
does go to the little stream, but I think it goes further. Well, we can investigate that another time.
We can do that.
We don't want it. We don't want half of the people in Ontario coming here like they all come to see the salmon, and then we don't get to see the salmon.
Yes.
People fighting
Or
on the
little
bridge,
sandbanks.
fighting to
Yes.
see the salmon.
Yes. I saw several dead ones.
Oh,
They were smelly.
oh, well that happens.
It does.
That's nature.
It is.
But anyways, this is a cool place, and so anybody that knows, especially Cobourg, now this Port Hope,
Yes.
especially Cobourg, in the summertime, when you come to find a beach or water, whatever, it's full of people, and it's massive to park. The price is very
Yes.
expensive. And if you go to Port Hope to see the salmon and the water, it's jam-packed with tourists.
Yes.
So this is a place kind of hidden
For now.
for now. and so all the viewers, there is a place to go and you have fun. You make a picnic or whatever and sit at the water and whatever. So we're just sort of, I guess, technically we will tell you where it is.
Eventually.
But we have to enjoy it a little bit ourselves.
Yes.
And
After
like
we
this,
follow this trail next time,
Yeah.
we'll let you know where we're at. Well,
Okay.
if you followed the clues and you're kind of local, you would
yeah, the
probably figure it
locals
out.
will certainly know, yeah. But yeah, it's cool. It's a little bit hard to get up in the beginning, but after that you're okay.
Yeah.
If I can do it, anybody can do it.
Okay.
All right. So anyways, it's Toronto's Do What Music Guy,
Yes.
and we're technically in Port Hope.
Yes, we are.
Not really Cobourg. Port Hope.
Yes.
Not really Cobourg. And
We're on the shore of Lake Ontario.
hidden gem. But that is a gem, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
I mean, it's pretty plain and simple, but it's nice when it's not full of 1,000 people.
It's secluded beach and you can hear the water, the waves.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
We're in Belleville. We're from Belleville, and we go all over the province. And as you know, one of the things we like is Sandbanks, the
Yes.
park. But that is full. Sometimes you can't get in. You have to book like a month ahead or whatever.
Nice.
So a place like this, you can just come. I see more tourists just popping out from the trees behind you there, Janet. But they look happy.
Good.
They took another trail.
Ah,
We're not telling anyone about that trail yet.
okay.
But anyway, so it's Toronto's Do What Music Guy. We're on YouTube,
Yes.
and it's Janet who did most of the video. I was just here at the beginning and the end. And I'm Kevin, and we like to go on different adventures in the province. And this is a little adventure.
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Share and
Thank you,
subscribe.
Thank you, Janet.
You're welcome.